Ever wondered what your favorite wine would sound like? And who would even think wine has a sound? But some sound engineers in Italy set out to create auditory profiles for their country's best vintages. They created the sound for each wine on a computer, and when they insert a probe into the wine, it will make music depending on how the wine is moved around in the glass. They decided the classic Barolo should have a low bass sound because they say the wine has the power to embrace you and leave you with a satisfactory feeling. Sparkling wine was given a sound that the creators say is improvisational to recreate how unpredictable the bubbles can be in each individual glass. The project is still in the early development stages, but they hope to one day offer it to wine producers and restaurants to give wine lovers a new way to experience their favorite beverages. For Inside Edition Digital, I'm Montalbano.